Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Today's Friday, April 17th. It's Comet Spirit Day in our virtual Spirit Week. Um, by now, you've probably heard that our continuation of learning will be continuing until the end of the school year. Yesterday, the governor made that announcement. I guess we all have to do our part to keep everyone safe. Um, your eighth grade teachers are still thinking about ways to retain some of our eighth grade traditions. Um, More about that later. So, to ELA for today. Okay, I'm going to start with the, the our research assignment. Today is the last day of your week of research and planning. So, I'm going to go right to that research page and up to the top. Okay, so by now you should have this pretty well filled in with quotes, facts, statistics from multiple sources. Uh, once you're finished collecting your research, it's time to read through it and think about, okay, well, how should I state my position? What side am I on? And how can I very clearly state that in a claim? And then read through the evidence again and search for the three strongest reasons that you can use to argue that position. And looking at your counterclaim evidence, if that evidence lines up with those three reasons, you might pick the plan that has a counterclaim in each supporting paragraph. Okay, I'm going to move on to the planning assignment. And in this one, you have two choices for your plan. Okay, and this one is all the counterclaim in one paragraph in a separate paragraph. And this one has a single counterclaim in each supporting paragraph. So I'm going to take a look at this one today. And the very most important sentence on this whole page is your claim. And I'm just going to read through mine. Schools should close during this pandemic. There's no doubt about what side I'm on, right? That's a clear statement of my position. And then my three reasons: to slow the spread of infection, to prevent a surge in patients at hospitals, and most importantly, to protect the most vulnerable. Notice each reason is balanced. Each one starts with a to and a verb, to and a verb, to and a verb. That's how you balance a sentence with items in a series. This part up here, your context, remember that's where you introduce your topic. Explain why this is an important issue. Give a little bit of both sides. And when you write your claim, then you don't have to repeat exactly what you wrote up here, but in your context, you probably hint at these reasons. Then as you move down, we've got reason number one. Okay, and that topic sentence will include reason number one. And then the next supporting paragraph, reason number two, and the third supporting paragraph, reason number three. And notice at the end of each paragraph, this plan has you put the counterclaim in and your rebuttal. Okay? And remember to use these transitions to introduce the counterclaim and to introduce your rebuttal. And then the ending is the same on both plans. So please don't forget your quote sandwiches in each of those supporting paragraphs. And don't hesitate to go back and review some of the lessons if you're not sure how to do a quote sandwich or if you're not sure what needs to go in an ending. Review those examples and even watch one of the videos if that would be helpful. Um, okay, so today, work hard at gathering that evidence and finishing up your plan, or at least getting it close to that. Next week is when we'll be writing the post assessment. I'm also sending an email out to your parents to ask them to have a conversation with you about your topic, just to help you to clarify your thinking a little bit. And, it always helps to talk through things with someone. So work hard today on your research and planning and have a wonderful, relaxing weekend. I'm hoping to get outside and play some tennis. Sounds like the weather's going to be better. And quickly, my joke.